Hi, today we are delighted to have with us one of our proud alumnus who has successfully secured admission into a medical college through the highly competitive NEET. Hi Geno, please share more about yourself.
Hi all. So I am happy to be here, ma'am. I am Jano Michael. I am currently studying in Tamil Medical College. I'm pursuing my medical degree, and I have been here with the Bharath family from my kindergarten to the 12th standard.
How did extracurricular activities help you in your overall development?
So in my case, the extracurricular activities played a really pivotal role. So I got the opportunity to engage myself in music, and I got the opportunity to go to a lot of quizzes. And quizzes had a really good impact on me. I got the opportunity to study a lot more than my syllabus, and I got to study a lot deeper and explore the fields. So I'm really happy for it.
That's good to hear. What do you feel so special or unique about our school?
The thing that strikes most to me about our school is it has something different for everybody. So in my case, they helped me a lot. They guided me a lot in my quizzes. They guided me a lot in my career opportunities. They were really helpful for me, and they gave a very specialized care. They knew what my potential was, and they helped me to reach the maximum heights of that.
That sounds great, How did the school help you build a strong academic foundation?
So I am really grateful for all the things the school has done for me. They had helped me to secure a really good academic foundation. So thinking of the times in the college, I remember all the textbooks and the classes in our grade school. So everything has stuck with me. They encouraged me so much from the lower grades itself. They helped me take everything seriously. That has made a really lasting impact in my life.
That's really encouraging to hear. We wish you a great success in your medical career.